Find the discount and the discount rate of the television in this ad. We can see that the television was formerly priced at $349.99, and its discount price is $299.99. The first thing that we're asked to find is the discount, and we can do that by subtracting. The discount is equal to the marked price minus the sale price. So let's call the discount D. And the marked price, remember, was $349.99. And from that, we subtract the sale price of $299.99. And when we do this subtraction, we find that D is equal to $50. So this is the discount on the television set. We're also asked to find the rate of discount. And we can use this to do that. We know that the discount is equal to the rate of discount times the marked price. Now, we just found that the discount was $50. We want to find the rate of discount, and we'll call that R. And we multiply that times the marked price, which was $349.99. So we want to solve this equation for R, and we can do that by dividing by 349.99 on both sides. So we have 50 divided by 349.99, and that's equal to R times 349.99 divided by 349.99. And when we do this division on the left-hand side and round to 3 decimal places, we get 0.143. So that's approximately equal to the rate of discount. And we wanted to express this as a percent, so we'll convert to percent notation. And we find that 14.3% is approximately equal to the rate of discount. Now, to check this, we might note that a discount rate of 14.3% means that 100% minus this percent of the marked price is paid. 100% minus 14.3% is 85.7%. And if we find 85.7% of $349.99, we would do this by multiplying in decimal notation 0.857 times $349.99. And when we do this multiplication, we find that it's approximately equal to $299.94. And this is approximately equal to the sale price of $299.99. And remember, we rounded to get this percent. So this tells us that the answer is correct. So the rate of discount is 14.3% approximately.